In this video, we are going to be solving WASSCE 2019 past question in further mathematics paper 2, which is theory. So this is WAEC. You can call it WAEC or WASSCE, anyone is fine. So WAEC is West African Examination Council, and this is final year exams for students in their secondary school, senior secondary school, like we call it here in Nigeria, generally in West Africa. And if you are in Yankee side, we call it high school. So whether secondary school or high school. So this is final year examination. Okay. So let me quickly take you through this particular exams paper 2, which is theory. So in further math, you have 15 questions altogether to answer 12. 15 questions to answer 12, and it is broken down into two sections. So we have section A and section B. In section A, actually in this video, we are going to be solving section A. Then I'm going to make a separate video on section B, okay? So section A, you have 8 questions altogether to answer all of them. 8 questions to answer everything. So question 1 to 8, and that's what we are going to be solving in this video. And in case you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Okay, and if you have any video you want me to make specifically for you, please drop on the comment section. I'll do just that. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start solving questions. Question 1 is simplify 625 to power 3x over 4 minus 1 plus 125 to power x minus 1 all over 5 to power 3x minus 2. So this is indices. So we are going to be using law of indices to solve this question. So I will like to advise you, if you don't if you've forgotten your laws of indices, do well to look up on your laws of indices again, because that's what we'll be using to solve this question. A quick reminder of a concept I want to share on like fraction is, if I have a plus b all over c, so I can rewrite this to give me a over c plus b over c. We call this like fractions. So that's what we are going to be doing here, okay? So that is going to be 625 to power 3x over 4 minus 1 all over 5 to power 3x minus 2 plus 125 power x minus 1 all over 5 power 3x minus 2. So I'm going to express 625 and 125 in index form to give me 65 is 5 raised to the power of 4. That's 25 times 25. So 5 raised to the power of 4 into 3x all over 4 minus 1 all over 5 power 3x minus 2 plus 125 is 5 to power 3, then times x minus 1 all over 5 to power 3x minus 2. So we are going to simplify the powers first. So if I simplify the powers, I'm going to have 5, 4 removes this bracket to give 3x. So 3x minus 4 here all over 5 power 3x minus 2 plus 5 power 3x minus 3 divided by 5 to power 3x minus 2. Okay, the next thing we are going to do here is we are going to use the law of indices that talks about division. When we have the same base with different powers dividing, we can subtract the powers. So I can simplify this using that law to give me 3x minus 4 minus 3x plus 2 minus 2, sorry, plus 5 to power 3x minus 3 minus, I don't have much space here, so I can just bring that down to be 3x minus 2. Sorry about that. This is going to simplify to give us what? 5 to power 3x minus 4 minus 3x plus 2 plus 5 to power 3x minus 3 minus 3x plus 2. So my 3's are going to cancel. 3x will cancel 3x. 3x here cancels 3x. So we are left with 5 raised to the power of minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 plus 5 to power minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So we're still using the law of indices. When we have a negative power, we are going to remove it by taking the inverse. So this is going to be 1 over 5 square plus 1 over 5 power 1, which is still the same thing as 5. So that's going to give 1 over 25 plus 1 over 5. So one trick I use to solve fractions here, very simple, is I can call this 1 over 25. It's still the concept of like fractions that I explained earlier on. So I will have here, if I multiply 5 here, I'm going to have 25 on the denominator. So I'm going to rewrite the equivalent of 1 over 5 to be plus 5 over 25. So you see, I don't even need calculator to solve this. So that's going to add up to give me 6 over 25. That's the answer.